The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Miami-Dade County in southeastern Florida until 2 p.m. At 1:20 p.m., a severe kindle and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kendall, The Redlands, Pinecrest, Richmond West, and Richmond Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.